and today I am going to be teaching you how to solve the triangle metal puzzle. So basically, to start, you have to position it in a way so you take one triangle and look at it so that the two, like the side where there's two metal lines is facing you, and then make the other triangle kind of like next to it and look the same, so like that. So they're both next to each other. And then you can position it like this with the doubles, like the side with the two metal bars on the bottom. And you can turn the right triangle down. And then you can move them into each other, so like this. And keep moving them, keep moving them. That's it. You've solved it. And to put it back in, you basically have to reverse your moves. So like this, and push it back in, and you can just mix it up once again. That's how you solve the triangle metal puzzle. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, also that like button, and comment if you want me to do more metal puzzle solvings. I will be doing more. So goodbye, see you in the next video.